Ahora estamos encima de el Volcan. We're on top of the mountain right now. And this is what it looks like. Boom. Look at the view of the lake.
That's not a good idea.
Facing south. And of course, the folks in the mud, in the Lodo. Guys giving the masaje. The massage is about like 5 or 10 pesos, 5 or 10,000. You see there's a line, so folks have a period of time to bathe in the mud. Then afterwards they gotta bounce, and other folks get their turn to go in. But this is the view from the top. And this is what it looks like down below. The tour buses, places to eat, bathrooms, things of that nature. It's pretty dry here. A dry ecosystem, lots of cactus. And then in this direction, above that hill on the other side is the sea, the Caribbean Sea. We are about 45 minutes from Cartagena. Para mí esa área se parece como la costa de Perú. This seems a lot like the coast, the Peruvian coast. Dry, yet still lots of vegetation.
Hey folks, so I wanted to give a quick explanation of this place. This place is awesome. Now in the volcano, you can't touch the bottom, so basically you're sort of floating in the air, and you have to, maintain your balance and sort of swim and float so that you don't tip over and fall face down into the Lodo. But basically, you float in the Lodo, based on its density and everything. This is a pretty amazing experience, and it's pretty warm. And the cool part of the Lodo is the actual edge. So it's a pretty awesome experience.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
So right now we at the Volcan de Lodo, which is like the mud volcano. It's a little miniature volcano that has mud that is warm, and it acts like sort of like a pool. People can like jump in and move around and get a massage and everything.
Yeah.
And this is here right outside of Cartagena, about 45 minutes outside of Cartagena. And these are folks coming down, all muddy, and they're gonna walk their way to the lake over here where they can wash off all of that mud.
A special shout out to the mud girls who allowed me to take their picture. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for tuning in. Peace.